We have here a simple problem to add dash between text and numbers. We have some text and numbers, alphanumeric string here, but the challenge is uh, number of text and number of numeric values is different. So in each cell there are different number of text and different number of numeric characters. So as you can see, there here is five text values and three numeric values. And here we have three text values and six numeric characters. So to put the dash to, put dash between text and numeric character, we need to first find the position of the first numeric value. So let's get started. You can download this file from the link below in the description and practice. In this challenge, we use four basic formulas, but it is not limited to just these formulas. As we know every problem can be solved by using multiple combination of the formulas. It is all up to you what you want to try it out. You're gonna go with my formula, go ahead. If you wanna try yourself, please give it a try. And let's start here. As I have mentioned earlier, if we need to put dash before 0, 6 and 3, I need to find the position. So how I can find the position for the same? For that, I need to run find function. I need to use find function. And what I need to find? So I need to find the position of the first numeric value. That could be 6, 0, 3, 7, 2. That could be anything that will be numbered from 0 to 9. So I'm going to just select these values and I will lock it. For now, I will just press F4 to hard code it, to lock it, put the $sign before it so that it will be a static reference instead of relative reference. So now after this, I will put the comma and I wanna put the text where I want to search numeric values. So I want to search numeric values in this text string. So I'm gonna close the parenthesis and enter. And now I have position of 6, 7, 8. Position of 0, 1 and 5. That will be 0. That in here 0. This is 1. This is position of 5. And there are some error as well. So if we want to proceed further, we need to remove the error first. So I'm gonna run if error in here. What it will do is it will just replace wherever there is error. So if error, I want to provide the value. This is my value, but whenever there is error, I want to return nothing. So I'm gonna put two double quote in there and hit enter. So now all the error value will be have been replaced. So I need to find the smallest number. I could use min function as well, but I want to choose a small function and I'm gonna provide the rank of the small, which rank in the smallest top small to largest, which is the rank I want to pick up. So I want to pick the smallest value that I want to choose the first one. That was a 6. I got the position here correctly. So what I need to do is I need to go to this position. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I want to insert dash before this sixth position. So what I need to do, I will run replace function. So I'm just gonna copy this entire formula because I actually returning exact number I need without equals. I just need the formula, not the equals. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna run replace function inside with it old text. So this is my existing text that we showing as old text. Next will be my start number. What will be my start number? That will be 6, but I'm not gonna refer to these cells. Instead, I'm gonna paste the formula that I've just copied, and then it's asking for how many characters I need to replace. Well, I don't need to replace any character. I need to add the character dash. So I'm gonna press 0, and it asking for new text. What is the new text you're gonna replace? So that will be dash, and any text character has to be inserted between the double quote. So I'm going to close the parenthesis and enter. So now you can see it has been completed. So now I'm just gonna drag down, drill down to the end by left clicking on this plus arrow, and I will have it in the end. As you can see, it works in any number of characters.